Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to the life and work of Riaz Ahmed Gohar Shahi. Hundreds and thousands of people all over the world, from all religions, have accepted his teachings. They have achieved spiritual purification, enlightenment, and the love of God through the spiritual teachings and grace of Riaz Ahmed Gohar Shahi. We are proud to present this film for you in the hope that you too may benefit from the spiritual grace and bounty of this man. Riaz Ahmed Gohar Shahi was born in the village of Gohar Shah, which is on the outskirts of Rawalpindi in Pakistan. He was born in a simple home and completed his elementary education in the village area, and he did not receive any further education from any college or religious institution. His father, Fazl Hussain Gohar Shahi, served as a member of staff to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah before the independence of Pakistan. Gohar Ali Shah, one of the ancestors of Gohar Shahi. Gohar Shahi left his home in search of spiritual knowledge and the love of God and his essence. He searched and visited various holy men, but he did not find the answer to his quest, and he eventually abandoned his search. Gohar Shahi then married, had 3 children, and became the owner of FQ Steel Industries. After working for many years, and then at the age of 34, he had a vision one night of the Saint Bari Imam. He was given instructions, and following those instructions, he left his home, visited the shrine of Sultan Bahu, and then retired to the jungle of Sevan Sharif, which is in the province of Sindh in Pakistan. He remained in the jungle for a period of 3.5 years, and there he engaged in constant worship and commemoration and achieved self-mortification and self-purification. Shrine of the Saint Lal Shahbaz Qalandar in Sindh, Dewan railway station, where Gohar Shahi spent some time engaged in worship. More importantly, it is a place where Almighty God chose Gohar Shahi for his divine appointment and revealed the personal light of his essence. And like a bolt of lightning from the sky, this light struck Gohar Shahi's body. After this profound spiritual experience, Gohar Shahi felt that his heart and every hair on his body vibrated with the sound of the name of God, Allah, Allah, Allah. After some time, I was instructed to retreat into the jungle of Lal Bagh, which is named after the saint Lal Shahbaz Qalandar of Sindh. Retreat of the Saint Lal Shahbaz Qalandar, you are now looking at the tree inside which Gohar Shahi would seek refuge from the elements and would spend a lot of time engaged in the worship of God. After a period of 3.5 years in this jungle, engaged in intensive physical and spiritual training, Gohar Shahi's presence was being felt by local people who would flock to the jungle to see him. He decided to hide himself from the public, but was then commanded by Almighty God to meet the public and to draw his attention to humanity and to bless them with his spiritual knowledge and his spiritual grace. It was then that Gohar Shahi moved to the city of Hyderabad in Pakistan and started to spread this word and these teachings over 20 years ago. Parts of Pakistan and spoke to small gatherings in homes and spiritual centers. After 15 years of such gatherings, he was commanded by Almighty God to address the masses. And now you will see his first formal public address which took place in 1993 in Arambagh, Karachi, which was attended by thousands of people from across Pakistan. Singing in the honor and praise of Gohar Shahi, after her heart was gifted with spiritual benevolence and grace from him.
Are desired by God. God does not look at their sins. He looks at His own mercy and how majestic and powerful He is.
और इसका एक और वाक्य है, अबुल हसन खरकानी एक बुजुर्ग था, तो उसको अल्लाह ने कहा कि अगर मैं तेरे मतलब लोगों को बता दूं कि तू क्या करता रहा है, लोग पत्थर मार मार के तुझे हलाक कर दें.
Just to elaborate on that, there is another tale, another story. Abul Hasan Kharkani. There is a man of God by the name of Abul Hasan Kharkani, and God has said to him that if I was to tell the people how bad you are, how much of a sinner you are, everybody would stone you to death.
उसने कहा अगर मैं तेरे मतलब लोगों को बता दूं कि तू कितना रहीम है, तुझे कोई सजदा भी ना करे.
And then he replied to God that if I was to tell people about God, if I was to tell people how merciful you are, then nobody would worship you, they would just rely on your mercy.
फिर अल्लाह ने कहा ऐसा कर, ना तू बताता ना हम बताते हैं.
Then God said, okay, let's do a deal. Neither you tell anybody and I won't tell anybody either.
अब इससे साबित होता है कि ये जो इश्क है ना, ये सब मज़हब से भी बालातर है.
Now it is proved beyond doubt that love, the love of God, is over and above all religions.
और ये अपने बस में नहीं होता है, ये जिनको अल्लाह चाहता है ना, ये उन्हीं को रिहात मिलती है.
And this love is not within our power. Whomsoever God desires and wishes and loves, He gives this love, His love to those people.
यही वजह है कि कुछ लोग मुराकबे करते हैं, कुछ योगा करते हैं, लेकिन पहुंचते वही हैं जिनको अल्लाह चाहता है, बाकी मशक करके छोड़ देते हैं.
This is the reason that some people do some meditation and yoga and many other things, and after some time they leave these practices. But those that are successful are the ones that are desired by God and those that He gives His love to.
अब हम मज़हब की बात नहीं करता, हम इश्क की बात करता है कि वो इश्क इंसान के अंदर कैसे आता है.
Now we don't talk about a religion, we talk about love, on how that love comes within a person.
आप मुलाहिज़ा फरमा रहे हैं
I'd like to introduce you the Saint Riaz Ahmed